Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yassine, and today I wanted to make a quick video on how you can change the voice on your Google Assistant and show you guys how to do it in two different ways. Google released an update where you can change the voices, and I believe there's 8 different voices now, and there is even some male ones. So let's just jump right in and show you guys how to change that. It's really quick and really easy to do. The first one is using the Google Home app, and if you don't have the Google Home app, you can go ahead and download that from the Play Store, and when you click on it, it shows you all the devices that are connected to your Google Home and all the services you have connected. But you can click the little menu button on the top left corner and you can go into more settings. Once you go into more settings, you'll see all the devices that are connected to your Google Home account and all your personal information. But you want to click on preferences, go into preferences, and the second option is assistant voice. And when you click on assistant voice, then you see this 8 different assistant voices that are out there. And the first one is the default one that everybody had for the last couple of years, and then there's the 7 new ones. So let's just listen to some of them to show you guys what they sound like.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. And now you can choose from different voices for me to speak with.
So as you can see, there's different voices, and some are male and some are female, and you just pick the one you like. And once you do that, then honestly you could just go back and then click home, and that's it, you're all done. And now if you don't want to use Google Home, or you don't have Google Home app downloaded because you don't have any connected devices, then all you have to do is go to your Google feed, and on the Pixel all you have to do is swipe to the left a few times and you will see your feed. Then you hit the little button on the top corner that has the settings, and once you go into the settings, then you see all the settings that you can change in your Google feed. And then you want to go into the Google Assistant section and click settings, and once you do that, you're back into that page where you'll see all the devices that are connected to your Google Home, and then you also see your personal information. And you just want to go into preferences, and the second option you get right there is Google Voice or Assistant Voice. And once you click, you're back into that page where you see all the different assistant voices. Like I said, there's 8 different ones. You can play around with them, find the one that you like, and once you do, all you have to do is click back or click home, and you're done, you're set. That's the voice your Google Assistant is going to be using moving forward. So that's how you change the Google Assistant voice, and it was really easy. But if you still have questions on how to do that or some of the steps that I did, then definitely leave me a question right below that like button, and I'll be over there answering questions. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.